So my name's Carolyn and I've been on the property maintenance course. I found the 10 days excellent. We've learnt and been given a lot of different tools and techniques, from plumbing to painting, decorating, woodwork, etc. So it's been a great range of skills. I think one of the things I found really great is the fact that it's hands-on right from the get-go. We get to bend pipes and then we get to work on a project and fix the wall and do all the processes against a fixed project, which has been great. And we've been having various different projects all on the go at the same time. So, we're learning once you have to wait for one, you can then go and work on another one. And that's given us kind of that appreciation of, what it's like to kind of work in an environment where you've got to wait for some things to dry or to set. Challenging, actually, for me, one of the most challenging things has been the woodwork. Not just because the precision of the finish has been there, and the other thing that I've really found important is that every step, the importance of the step before the one that you're on, is critical because it creates work for yourself, or the quality of the work that you're going to deliver is dependent on how well you did the first step. So kind of that meticulous attention to detail is something that probably I've raced a bit too much in the past, and probably need to take the time, make sure that's solid, and then you're going to get a quality finish at the end. And for me, one of the important things is wanting to make sure that I do a professional finish. I've done a lot of DIY, but my maybe quality of the finish hasn't been as professional as it could be. So I'm looking forward to being able to take that back and make sure that in my home DIY now, I'm going to be producing a finish that's a little bit more perfect. Absolutely, and actually I've mentioned this course to a few friends as I've kind of said, what I've been doing over the last 2 weeks, and there's been a lot of them that have said, oh, I'd be really interested in that. So I will be singing the praises of the course and what you can get out of it, and the benefits that it provides. And in fact, even at the weekend, I was waiting for an electrician to change some lights for me. I've gone ahead and done that myself, so it was a very proud moment where I was able to get an outside light working again that hasn't been working for a number of years. So great.